Hey there, boys and girls. Welcome back. Here we are, day 12 of our March daily math. Number 1, the party will start half an hour before 2. What time will the party start? Well, I've got my clock set up here, okay? And right now it's at 2. Now it's at half an hour, so a half an hour equals how many minutes? That's right, 30 minutes, right? So here we go. The party will start half an hour before 2. So I got to go this way for 30 minutes. Well, there we go. So what time is it? Yeah, very good, you guys. It is 1:30. 1:30. Very nice. All right. Number 2 says 10 less and 100 less from 793. Well, 10 less, remember we can cover up the ones column. And we just have the number 79. So what's 1 less than 79? 78, right? And then we add our 3 back for place value. 10 less, we're only changing the tens column when we go backwards by 10 on that problem. Okay. 100 less, well, it's 1 less than 7. Well, that's 693. Okay. Number 3, Finn's friend Patty is full of mischief. He painted his fingernails and toenails green. Then he painted the fingernails and toenails of 3 of his friends while they were sleeping. Oh, that little stinker. How many nails did he paint in all? Okay, well, 5, 10, 15, 20 of just his own, right? So if he had 20, he had 3 friends, right? So here's friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, and don't forget Patty, right? So this friend had 20 total nails, right? 10 fingernails, 10 toenails. This friend had 20, this friend had 20, and this friend had 20. So it's basically 4 times 20. Well, 4 times 2 is 8, so 4 times 20 would be 80. 20, 40, 60, 80. Very good. All right, happy St. Patrick's Day. Measure the line of shamrocks to the nearest quarter inch and centimeter. So we're going to start with the inches side, okay? And we line up the 0 with this, right? Now to the nearest quarter inch, we're right here in the halfway mark. So we're halfway between 3 and 4, right? So we have 3 full inches. So let's write 3 full inches. Now it says to the nearest quarter inch. Well, this would be 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and 4 quarters. So we're to the nearest 2 quarters of an inch. That's also known as a half inch, right? So that's the least way we want to do it, the half instead of 2 quarters. If you wrote 3 2/4, that's okay too. It really is 3 2/4, right? Now let's measure the same line. This time we're going to measure to the nearest centimeter. So we got to turn around so we're on the centimeter side. So we line it up on the centimeters right here. And we measure all the way across over to here. And I see it's just about at 9. Okay, see how close that is to 9 centimeters? So we're going to put down 9. Okay, we're not doing quarters of a centimeter. We would go 9, maybe you could do half a centimeter, 9 to 9.5. But it was almost touching 9 centimeters. Number 5. Some people believe that leprechauns store their gold coins in a pot at the end of the rainbow. Well, of course, that's what makes the rainbow, right? What would you do with a real pot of gold? Well, that is a great question. What would you do? Would you go buy something? Would you save some? Would you dive in the pot of gold and throw your gold coins all over the place? I would share mine with you guys. Share my gold with others. How's that? Share my gold with others. Maybe you, right? All right. We'll see you tomorrow for day 13.